Etie for teacher bi akodi nyambransem teacher we wo Savannah region na yeda nyankopon ase se police for ensa asonemu because a teacher for asebe SS teachers are modi say AD SS students mba na de enye na we esi se na medical channel no ewo Savannah region de kuro bi so a ye friend no Saula Tuna Kalba Wati ase edino mesre mo hu se mintumi ambo ne ye na it's a district of the Savannah region no na Ebole magistrate court na say magistrate court a ewo Bole ewo Savannah region ho no wo mo na say wo mo no teacher we ato remand 34 years old your friend Mr. Okulu Ernest Okulu na Ernest Okulu dia wakoye ene say wako two students bi mo na SHS students bi just wato no mo na etie for enya asem ketwa na bibinti students no yembo ni din na senior papa we were two students no mo na ne say yesi de bia no wo pese wo che students na de bia wo pese wo ma na shito any yogurt de bia wo pese wo che na shito ni yogurt just wo pese wo de dada na just wo pese wo de reno de bia o ma na shito ni ba girl yi wonje girl yi mpe girl yi hu ne say papa we se meje ne shito eni ni yogurt a de ode be ya me no enti girl no papa ne de ba teacher yi de ba na girl no say onje teacher making we math teacher SHS math teacher what the bag girl no say onje or the bag girl no say onje what the bag girl no say onje now one day be exactly on a year November 12th around 8 p.m. 9 p.m. you name say around 8 p.m. 9 p.m. there yana school e close enumre the teachers mo be wo mo bungalow boarding school teachers mo be wo mo bungalow a day school obi abeko fie nti teachers be wo mo bungalow na students omo awo omo hostels what you say and now omo boarding house na on 12th of November teacher Mr. Okuli around 8 to 9 p.m. enumre ena trese wo call campus o call school mo ho ena wo to nsa efre girl no se girl no embra ne ho e wo teacher staff common room na satan na enumre o in teacher staff common room no obi eni ho teacher ne pe no wo ho ena trese girl no nso wo ye den wo call ye girl ni do ya na teacher no wo so girl ni mu gidi e force girl no e de no two form e bro na tare ena sebe wo fa girl no o repino etiefo enye easy na wo raping na trese girl no wo falling unconscious utumi say shock no eto so nti wo to ho say de we fainting no wa falling unconscious the teacher no so wo girl no falling unconscious no ya semu teacher enjay o wo re girl ni we o ri ni we no e na wo page girl no e de no ekoto girl no ni hostel e ka tre girl no trese ni roommates any omo hostel ho say oh say ase wada na say bon chese teacher math teacher Mr. Okulu oye bibisa opeja girl no de na ekoto hostel no na girl no chese ni nititi no na wo hye ase eko report ye omo report ya na chese police for ensa ebeso asem ni mu na police for ka say da bi yente na ho e ma say teacher wumbe di nyambran sem say na wutie teacher ne din a Ernest Okulu utumi hu se onye obi a wo free Savannah region ho intino the district divisional police commander friend no ASP Digraft Ama Eje wono na wo confirm sa allegation yi against the teacher ena trese wo mo yen hwehwemu ahu se ne kre teacher na ya de a wato girl ne mu na ena ye chi teacher ni tu mu a ye de no ekọ court a ende me ne wo ka say court say yen remand no into yen samfa no nko to police custody until 25th into 25th ba na ye bu na 10 se onko demu mfie se etiefo eno ne asema eda ho na ensensem we ni aba abonten no police for air investigation no and police for esanso enya news story says a teacher we kra no this is not the first time I wo ye bibi say na you say some years ago in the school what did the same thing some SHS one year lady bi inti teacher we there ya dey awo ye utumi say wa ya masisia no ne cap no ayefu and asisia ya che no na the SHS one lady na ono yesi what the year no saa time no so yesi enumre saa na ye Saturday mo akọ boarding school bia mo nim say SHS boarding the Saturdays ya ye the entertainment nti na Saturday atese entertainment koso na teacher ne sneaky into the school na atese one girl no ya na atese one girl no kasa ya na o ma girl ne di nechi ka se o pia koto bibia ma no ye hwe ya na se wo the girl na akọ onu teacher ne fie the SHS one student no what that teacher ne fie ama ade chin na osanso ede girl no den ba biom inti eno so yesi sa school mpanyinfo ebete asem no na school mpanyinfo bete asem na trese wo munia wo mu ye kom omo ama ankopie wo police phone nim wo mu ye ne internally because omo hu ne se asem wo die pia teacher ne nim begu ase na wo bi nim say the authorities of the school no wo mu sro teacher na because bibi say no authorities of the school ni mum na e was say wo mu ko report teacher no say wa ye bibi say for the very first time embra wo ye e wo SHS 1 student so no na nke ye chi na ka by this time said want to me emphasize an kwasi assembly ensan bedi another second year student na mambo school ni din de Saula Senior High School Saula school ni din no e was Savannah region na teacher we go di sa said in Sanfon no na we na tete Joy FM for a D story which omo no mu D story which na story no abeye kese aye nso ya tibia ye report ya tremo na Joy FM for D story na chi no mu ka se da bi se eye ne kre se teacher we or the BBC say aye obi pen e wo school ni mu na tell say this is not his first time obviously ye ni school authorities no enko kasa ye ni school penifo no enko kasa na ye nti wo mo num nsem se ade na teacher no wo ye ade we for the very first time no mo anka hwe amfa ho etiefo wo mo friend headmaster of the school na wo say da bi won kasa wa asem we ho wo mo friend wo say won kasa wa asem we ho na wa wade ne say headmaster of the school no wo ye reverend father Reverend Colinius and I say wo ye headmaster of the school wa sebe wo ye reverend father na o teacher aye bibi say na ebe pie e wo school authorities ni nim na kire say mo atena so mo anko report ya ma police na bi susu say reverend father ye ne ba na teacher we ade ye na menye so say na ka asem na obetena so sa but asema reverend father he walk and say was you GS4 rules and regulations wo ho a bane ye headmaster say ensemba abonti amom nkasa wo ho hwe asema na wo ka tre mi nti ya wo ba ne yakoto ne mu na wo ka dem say GS4 rules and regulations wo ho nti ne man kasa asema na papa ye okan wo bia ye de na ba school say wo mba sua de na o teacher ache na ato ne mu na be kasa wo ho say GS rules and regulations say my teacher nkasa mfa nsem ho nti my headmaster say nkasa mfa nsem ho nti why what are you trying to tell us ya tu obiba mo na obiba SHS2 see ye ka say ye no normal school Ghana age any school level SHS2 there so to me say obewo around me SHS2 around 16-17 years provided say was say yes e wo ho say ebi mo wo ho a wo munyin e wo school bia but the average age yenfa say class 6 na o class yenfa say 6 years na o class 1 na we failure na say school no ebi enfim na o course by age 16 17 there no e wo say wo SHS2 into to me say the students are still young, extremely young, and a teacher we war to omo na say na me no adie we e ya send dia me ko day school, so I didn't really experience something like this. Na me share dey nim embra me wo SS na me share dey nim say oh teachers na me share dey nim say adie nka because na me hu ne say yen no me age me hu me classmate mba na say yesu so and na me hu teachers say wo mwanyi nti na me say bibi say ne kra de emba teachers ni so until say me do final year me na me class mba no eye free ansa na ebi mo ka kire me say share the teachers na dey yo mo na nye easy share e ho na me hu say saadi ya ade bia ekoso but before then no na me kra me madam fo bi wono na wako boarding school Inti ye makwan no obefia na de bia waka kire me say hwe boarding school Eastern region ho de ono no ko school Eastern region. Eastern region ho de chale teachers no sao. Sebe omo fa girls na ni ebi mo wo ho a girls na ti ase emo ema wo mo form ene de yes ebi mo wo ho a omo ti ase emo ebi mo wo ho nso a enu oden takashibi na tese wodi te say teacher we na asema abai wodi ko rape wo ba na ne ho abetre no na asem no se nya medi ngan no 25th omekọ court na yekobu asem no na ya hwe de beba. Montre mo adwo comment box to mo meda ase.